Hello kids! Today we will learn colors name and English alphabets. At first we will learn colors name. Say with me colors name. Red, black, brown, orange, purple, light green. Write with me A. Say with me A. Write with me B. Say with me B. Write with me C. Say with me C. Write with me D. Say with me D. Write with me E. Say with me E. Write with me F. Say with me F. Write with me G. Say with me G. Write with me H. Say with me H. Write with me I. Say with me I. Write with me J. Say with me J. Write with me K. Say with me K. Write with me L. Say with me L. Write with me M. Say with me M. Write with me N. Say with me N. Write with me O. Say with me O. Write with me F. Say with me F. Write with me Q. Say with me Q. Write with me R. Say with me R. Write with me S. Say with me S. Write with me T. Say with me T. Write with me U. Say with me U. Write with me V. Say with me V. Write with me W. Say with me W. Write with me. X. Say with me. X. Write with me. Y. Say with me. Y. Write with me. G. Say with me. G. Say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Subscribe for more video.